Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten a lot recently, and that is, how do you use a gift card that was sent to you on Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use a gift card that somebody sent you into your Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. The Cash App gift card is a little different than normal gift cards because it goes directly into your Cash App to use with your Cash App Cash Card. So let me go ahead and open up my Cash App and I'll show you how this works. It's this green and white app right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. This is the home screen here. Now here on the home screen, if you want to use a gift card that somebody sent to you through Cash App, it's going to be used through your Cash App Cash Card. And how you can check that is you want to click on this button down here on the bottom left. It looks like a little credit card. Okay, so here in this section, you'll see all of the different gift cards that someone has sent to you into your Cash App. So you can see this person right here sent me a $1 Netflix gift card. And in order to use this gift card, it's automatically attached to my Cash App Cash Card. So let me go ahead and click on this right here. Okay, so I went ahead and clicked on my gift card in my Cash App. Now it's going to show you the terms of how you can use this gift card. So this is for $1 on Netflix. So basically what I can do is I can go ahead and pay for my Netflix subscription with my Cash App Cash Card. And then when I do that, as long as this button is green, this gift card would be automatically applied to my Netflix membership. So if my Netflix account, let's say it's $18, once I attach my Cash App Cash Card, the physical Cash App Cash Card, to pay for my Netflix account, the next time that Netflix bills onto my Cash App Cash Card, $1 would automatically be credited for the Netflix gift card that I have here, and then the other $17 would then be billed onto my Cash App balance. They do give you details for this gift card right here. They say that it's spent automatically with your Cash App Cash Card. It lets you know how much of a gift that person sent to you. So this person only sent me $1, so the original value is $1. Also, it never expires, which is kind of cool. And then also you can use your gift card on Cash App online or in a store. Netflix, that wouldn't really apply, but let's say it's a McDonald's gift card. I can use that on the McDonald's website, or I can use it inside of a store. So if I go inside a McDonald's, for example, and I order a number one and it's going to be like $8, and I use my Cash App Cash Card to pay, you can't use another card. You need to use your Cash App Cash Card. Cash App will automatically apply whatever gift card for that store you have, and then the additional amount would bill onto your Cash App Cash Card. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how you can use a gift card that was sent to you through Cash App, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.